Midday News is brought to you by Dogra A1 Digital Hearing Aid Center, Jammu, offering special discounts for the senior citizens and reimbursement schemes for the government employees. Jammu and Kashmir on Monday recorded 572 new COVID-19 cases, while 7 fatalities took place in the last 24 hours, taking the tally to 1,03,581 and the death toll to 1,604. Out of the fresh cases, 191 are from the Jammu division and 381 are from the Kashmir division. There are 5,585 active cases, while 96,392 patients have recovered so far. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh on Tuesday accused the Congress and the National Conference of beating around the bush on the issue of Article 370 and trying to evade the moot point as whether they would restore constitutional province if voted to power. Targeting the People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration, Singh said that the king parties had held Jammu and Kashmir to ransom for half a century as dynastic entitlement. National Conference leaders and father-son duo Farooq Abdullah and Omar Abdullah went into self-isolation on Tuesday after one of their secondary contacts tested positive for COVID-19. The announcement was made by Omar Abdullah on Twitter, saying doctors had advised them self-isolation for a week before undergoing precautionary COVID test. BJP leader Tarun Chugh on Tuesday alleged the People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration was exploiting and misleading the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and the amalgam of several mainstream political parties was daydreaming about the restoration of Article 370. On his maiden visit to the Kashmir Valley after being appointed the party's National General Secretary and its in charge for Jammu and Kashmir, Chugh said the dreams of PAGD will never be realized. The Jammu Divisional Commissioner in the Third Advisory has directed Deputy Commissioners to cancel all mutations of land transferred under the Roshni scheme and submit details. The Jammu and Kashmir Administration on November 4 has directed Deputy Commissioners of Jammu Division to cancel all mutations of illegally encroached land, including those under the Roshni scheme, from the revenue records and upload details of encroachers on websites. Jammu Divisional Commissioner Sanjeev Verma had issued directives to DCs of 10 districts of Jammu region in this regard on November 6 and 12. Advisor to Lieutenant Governor Basir Ahmed Khan on Tuesday heard public grievances at Church Lane, Sonwar, Srinagar. Scores of deputation and individuals met the advisor and appraised him of their grievances and issues, seeking an early redressal of the same. India on Tuesday successfully test-fired the Quick Reaction Surface-to-Air Missiles system at an integrated test range in the Chandipur off the Orissa coast. The missile accurately and successfully neutralized an airborne target. It was the second successful test firing of the missile in the last 5 days. The Jammu and Kashmir government has evacuated 8,99,353 JK residents stranded in the other parts of the country due to the COVID lockdown via Lakhanpur and through special trains and buses till date amidst the strict observance of all necessary guidelines and the standard operating procedures. As per the official data received in this regard, the Jammu and Kashmir administration has received 155 special trains at Jammu and Udhampur railway station from different states and UTs so far, with about 1,40,292 passengers, while about 7,59,061 persons from other states and UTs, including 948 from abroad, have been evacuated by the government through Lakhanpur till date. Principal Secretary, Agriculture, Production, Horticulture, Sheep and Animal Husbandry Naveen Kumar Chaudhary on Tuesday visited Budgam and had detailed review of functioning of departments of Agriculture, Horticulture, Sheep and Animal Husbandry, besides taking stock of winter preparedness of the district administration. Naveen Chaudhary asked the officers to demonstrate high degree of their efficiency and performance so that more and more area could be brought under the ambit of irrigation. Principal Secretary to Government Social Welfare Department Bipul Pathak on Tuesday reviewed the functioning of Social Welfare Department, Kashmir and ICDS at an officers' meeting in Srinagar. The Principal Secretary underlined the need for the 10% Aadhaar seeding of beneficiaries to check duplicity. He asked the officers to work with full dedication and ensure a corruption-free environment and quick public service delivery mechanism is further improved in the department.